Irene's here again. For today's video, I just wanted to show you how to prepare a family boodle fight. The setup that I have shown here is entirely different from the others. I place here a whole pork lechon as our highlight. I intended to cut the pork lechon so it has an amazing look. There are some viands here that has a little sauce, so that is why I am also using platters, so that it will not be messy to look at. You can see in the setup that there are still places wherein you can put some food, but I intend not to place a lot. It might be a waste if all will not be consumed. So without much ado, let's get into the video. Before we go on, I just wanted to shout out to the person who helped me, like and Avisoti, to Butchokoy, to Aisel, Mariel, and of course to Alfie. Without them, everything, the boodle fight will not be a success. So thank you, thank you, thank you.
Reflection in every distraction, they'll make your worries disappear. And it is overwhelming. There's some things you can't pretend. Feelings boxed up only. The fight is getting nearer as the sun goes down and shadows fill the town. Give me a reason, a reason. The stars around looks like they're falling down. They're in collision. Ready to go out, but then I thought, man, what's the point? There are roads filled blind, tears are running fast. Still apathy is all I've got. And I know it's hard to keep up sometimes. And I know I just want to make things right. But as the sun goes down and shadows fill the town, give me a reason, a reason. I'm falling down, down underground, trapped in the prison. That's my supposed to be my year. You can see your reflection in every distraction. They'll make your worries disappear. And it is overwhelming. There's some things you can't pretend. Feelings boxed up only. The fight is getting nearer as the sun goes down and shadows fill the town. Give me a reason, a reason. The stars around looks like they're falling. They're in collision.
Okay.
Give me a reason, a reason. The stars are out, looks like they're falling down. They're in collision, that's my vision. I was up and about, ready to go out. But then I thought, man, what's the point? Their auras feel blind, tears are running fast. Still apathy is all I've got. And I know it's hard to keep up sometimes. And I know I just want to make things right. But as the sun goes down and shadows fill the town, give me a reason, a reason. I'm falling down, down underground, trapped in the prison. That's my reason.
Hey guys, this is all what is left. I am happy that all the foods placed around are consumed. The table still look pleasing after eating. So kudos to all. Let us have another boodle fight soon. That's all for now. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. But please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Wondering how things are going south. This was supposed to be my year. You can see your reflection in every distraction. They'll make your worries disappear.